points P and Q have coordinates -1, 6 and 9, 0 respectively. The line L is perpendicular to PQ and passes through the midpoint of PQ. Find an equation for L, giving your answer in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0, where a, b and c are integers. So let's have a look at this then. The line L is perpendicular to PQ, passes through the midpoint of PQ. So the first thing to do is to obtain the midpoint of PQ. So basically we add the coordinates. -1 plus 9 is 8, divide by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 6 plus 0 is 6, divided by 2 is 3. So there's our midpoint. Perpendicular to PQ, so the gradient next. So the gradient of PQ is equal to, so P to Q respectively, so the increase in Y goes from 6 to 0, that's an increase of -6, it's going down 6. The increase in X, it goes from -1 to 9 is 10. So divide by 2 top and bottom, -3/5. So the line perpendicular to PQ must have gradient, so perpendicular line gradient is, well, 5/3 times by that will give -1, won't it? So that must be the gradient of the line that's perpendicular. Passes through the midpoint, so this is the gradient, it passes through this point. So we want the equation for this line, giving it in this form. So let's do that now. So, equation of line is, so it would be y minus the y value is equal to the gradient, 5/3, over the x minus the x value that the line goes through. Now we have to rearrange it in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. So this tells us then, move the 3 up, 3y minus 3 equals 5x minus 4, and then expand the brackets, 3y minus 9, 5x minus 20. 5 4s are 20. So that tells us then, read from right to left, leave the 5x as is, move the 3y over to be with it, so it's minus 3y, move the 9 over to be plus 9, minus 20 is minus 11, and there's nothing left on the other side, and I've written it down from right to left. 5x minus 3y minus 11, so here a is equal to 5, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to minus 11. So we found the integers a, b and c. Okay, so I think that, find the equation of line L giving it in the form this, where a, b and c are integers. There we go.